Okay, I don't think it's can I see? Can't see. Hold on.
What's your bucket list? What you want me to do? What door you want me to open? What ways?
I'm gonna see if I can do the my timetable multiplication.
Ask whatever you will. Would you do me a favor? Think about
Hold up.
Ask whatever for. If God said you've got one thing to ask for,
Okay.
ask whatever you will, and I will do it. And Solomon thunders in the
The fan.
and the Bible
Anyway.
says, I want wisdom. Now let's be honest. I know some of y'all want to be deep. That was not on my list. I wish
Okay.
I got
Listen.
10 other things
We're gonna do this.
that I had on my list. The West Stadium coming up in here.
Here we go.
Private jet, y'all don't want
1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 11 is 11. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. 7 times 12 is 84. What we on? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. And 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 11 is 99. 9 times 12, 108. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2, I'm going to have to write down. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 90 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 11 is 111. 10 times 12 is 122. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3, 33. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 12 is 120, 130. Wait a minute. 11 times 11 is 121, and 11 times 12, let's see, 121 and 11. Damn, 11 times 21, I'm sleeping right now. 11 times 21, okay, 11 times 12 is 121. Yeah. 12 times 1 is 1. I got 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 7, 12 times 7. Ooh, 84. 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is, let me see. 12 times 8, 16, 1, 96. Okay. 12 times, what am I on? 12 times 9. 12 times 10, 120. 12 times 11. 12 times 12. 12 times 11, 121. 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2. Well, you know what? Ooh, I'm going to have to work up on that. I'm going to have to practice that a little bit more. I think I missed 2. Something like that. I ain't quite sure. I think 12, 4 times something. Let me see. At any rate. 6:50. 6:50. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're on. On. I don't know. Somebody need to learn that. Pretty good, though.